Hi there and welcome back. Because the index.html file is the starting point of our application, we will begin here. Instead of rendering the feed.svg, we will render the favicon.ico. Then, in title, we will change the name of our application, ChatGPT clone. And the most thing importantly, add a link tag that looks like this. Link rel style sheet with an href of style.css. That's going to link our internal style sheet. And now in the body, we will going to div with an ID of app, and we will going to add another self-clothing div right here. Div type ID equal to chat underscore container. This container is going to wrap our entire application. Now we will create a form. And inside this form, we will add a text area element. That text area is going to have a name equal to prompt, which will allow us to type in there. We will make the number of calls or columns equal to 1 and the number of rows equal to 1. And we will add placeholder. It will be a string of ascodex ... Now we will make a submission by adding a button. And inside it, we will add type equal to submit. Then we will add a self-closing image with src or source equal to assets send.svg. This is one of 3 SVG images included in the assets folder. And finally, we must connect it to our script module, which will not be main.js. We will rename it script.js instead of main, and rename the main file to script. We should be able to run our application and see something in the browser. We already have a code in our script, so let's try to run it by going to View, then Terminal. We will type clear to clean it. Make sure that you are inside of the client folder. And when we type npm run dev, this will launch the application on localhost 5173. So hold Control while clicking this link. Click yes. Now you can see our great favicon and the name of our application at the top. But there is an error. Okay, in the next lecture, I will show you how to fix it and starting write our script file. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.